My one kid poems, butterflies. Butterflies are a part of natural insect. So creates a group. They are villagers on the feathers. The lays out from the egg. They are participate to growing up the brightness of flowers. So they are villagers in the varieties flowers. So they are intelligent insects. Have the pretty colorful wing. They are increase the brightness of flowers. Conversation. Hi Ram, how are you? I am well. How are you? I am not well, but what is your problems? I am suffering for the disease. What is the disease? I am suffering for the headache and fever. Was you have an appointment and uh, check up for the doctors? No, I thought that I should be recovered for the take the shopping medicines, but I am not relieved, so I decided that I shall go to the doctors for recovery. You should not be late. Please, you will go to the doctor's on today. Yes, I should not go late. Hi, Rina. Hi, Rina. How was your exams? My exam was not so good. What is the subjects have you weak exams? I have weak exams on the mathematics, so I am worried. It is not matter. You should be do more take careful for this subject on the next exam. Myself, Mimi Ghosh, I completed MA and BA course. I like to study different varieties books and like to watch the TV programs and other social programs. Hi, sir, may I come in? Yes, come here, take your seat. Why are you interested to participate in this job? Because I am thinking it's the best ideal job. How many years experience have you? 5 years experience. How much salary have you? Deserve 30,000 salary. What should be the doctor's attention? The doctor's main attention should be to take careful checkups to their patients and pay attention to their parents. And the doctor should be kind also to survive their patients.